Hey everyone, it's Charlotte. Today on Maker's Moments, we'll be teaching you how to use a wooden wick clip. Using a wooden wick clip is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Setup, cleanup, and assembly are a breeze. Made from cold-rolled steel to exacting specifications, the wick clips from the Wooden Wick Co. have a flat bottom for easy glue adhesion or your wick sticker that will ensure vertical orientation of your wick assembly every time. The wick clip keeps the flame at safety height above the bottom of the vessel, as regulated by the National Candle Association, to reduce the risk of overheating at the end of the candle's life. To use a wooden wick clip, hold your wooden wick in one hand and hold your wick clip in the other. Gently press the edges of the wick into the clip, making a rocking motion until the entire bottom edge of the wick is securely fastened into the clip. If you need a little bit more space to work the edge of your wick into the clip, gently pull the edges of the clip apart before inserting your wick. You'll also want to use a wick sticker to adhere the bottom of your clip and wick assembly to the bottom of your vessel. Simply add the wick sticker to one side of your clip, remove the sticky back, and place it into the center of your vessel. Voila! You're ready to make a candle using a wooden wick. Ready to put your newfound knowledge into practice? Do you use wooden wicks in your candle making? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks. See you next time on Makers Moments. Happy making!